Hey guys, today I'll be playing Snake.io. So let's get this. Okay, get this started. So get to a mask. I don't know. This is my and this is I'm just gonna play for a while. So he's eating all my stuff. That's very sad. Come on. Eat all that mass. It's gonna be fun. Aw. I'm just gonna put it right up here. Well, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna go.